Hi guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I set up my Hedge Ninja in a demo account here that I have just opened. It's a Saturday and therefore the markets are closed, so I will be doing it on Bitcoin just to have, because it's moving, and that's quite important when I will show you the settings. Anyway, so I will load up the EA on the Bitcoin chart. It takes a few seconds for it to load. That depends on how many charts you have open and the computer, I guess, but it should be opening shortly. Okay, here we go. So this is the box that you will be getting once you have opened the EA. Okay, here we go. Now it is in. If I click here, it will buy instantly, like it says. If I would rather short the market or sell, I can double click this gray hedge line here in the middle of the chart. That will make the line here turn red, and this gray line up here will go on the other side, and after a bit this should be changing to a sell instant instead of a buy instant. And I'm not sure why it takes so long right now. I think it might be because it's the weekend and maybe it's my computer, I don't know. Yeah, so we have a few boxes here. If we change this from, let's say, this example 4,469, we can change it to 3,000. That will lower this hedge size, right, like that. It jumped down. And if you would like to lower the target size, or target size, we can just put in a new number here. Let's say 15,000. That makes the target more closer to the red line here. Let's say we would like to target 0.5%. This will make the first lot lower. There we go. You see it went from 32 to 16. This is because, so this is the decider of the first lot that determines the position size. So if we want 0.2, we can see here also the trade cycle settings. It estimates the max position before reaching our max drawdown as well. Let's say we only want to risk 1%. That makes the estimated max position now 9.6 positions, and with a first lot of 6.45 Bitcoin. This is a bad example, maybe with Bitcoin. I don't know how many of you that are actually trading it, but this is just to give you an example of how the EA calculates the first lots and how many estimated positions that will be before closing at max drawdown. You also have a option down here with exit break even from position plus, which means that if you sell right here, you have another position here, which is the second position, and then the market goes down again and opens a third position here, and then the EA will look to exit at break even. Maybe it's down here, I don't know, or maybe if it goes into the fourth position and we get up here, we can also exit here at break even. That's from the third position. If it goes to 5 position, it doesn't mean that it won't open a 4 position. It will look to get out of break even when it gets the chance of getting out of break even. So we need to be careful. This doesn't mean that you won't have 4 position or 5 position. It will still open a 5 position or a 6 position. It depends on how the market is moving. If we are still in this range, you can open as many positions until it reaches the max drawdown. So yeah, be careful of that. If, let's say, well, that's the settings here that we can adjust. If you would like to enter a, let's say, a sell limit, maybe we want to sell up here, then we can double click this area or this line, this red line, and we drag it up to the desired entry, let's say up here. Now we have a sell limit. It says so up here. If I were to click it here, it will open a sell limit, just as it did. We have a sell limit in the market right now. But let's say we don't want that. We cancel this, or we could have clicked close order up here. Maybe we want to have a buy position instead. Maybe we want to have a buy limit, so we double click the blue line, drag it down, maybe down here to this minor support area here, and then we can have a buy limit if we click, and now we have a buy limit down here with a hedge zone here at the gray line. We have the upper target here, the lower target here. Everything is visible, you can see it. It's very nice. You can always see the target, the hedge. I like it. So let me close this order. Now I'm back here again. Maybe I want to make a buy stop. Then we are at buy instant right now. Make sure that you can change it by double clicking the hedge. That makes it a sell. But let's say we want to have a sell stop. Then we just drag the red line into the sell area. Now we can open a sell stop. Maybe we want the sell stop under the last support. I don't know where you want it, but this is just an example. Or maybe you want a buy stop. Just make sure the line here is blue, which is the buy color. You can really treat it as colors. Red for sell, blue for buy. And if you want to buy here or buy here, that changes the buy stop and buy limit. Really simple. So this is how I use it when I want to use different orders, sell limits or buy limits or sell stop or buy stop. Or if I just want to go to the market again, I can double click the blue line. Let's say we are at the buy stop right now, but I want to go to buy instantly. I double click and I'm back. Double click the hedge line. It's a sell order. Move it down and double click and I'm back. So this is just a basic tutorial of how you can set it up, and I hope you guys find it valuable if you want to just know the basics of it. So let me know if there's something you want to know about it. I'm Mr. Price on Discord, and just shoot me a message if you are wondering something. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.